2025 Toyota Tacoma. We're getting maintenance required and oil maintenance required. To reset that, use the steering wheel buttons right here, okay? I'm gonna get rid of these messages. So you're gonna do this if you have the gauge cluster like this. Toyota comes in a couple different trims. The cluster's gonna change, so if you look like this, you are set. So you're gonna scroll down till you get to the gear symbol here and scroll over. I'll zoom in on the one you need to go to. It's called vehicle settings, okay? Then you're gonna push okay and hold it down. That's you into vehicle settings, and then go down. So you see scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. So I'm getting both of these messages, so we're gonna go ahead and reset both of these, okay? And all done, okay? So hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, liking the video, and leaving a comment if you could. And hope to see you again in another Toyota video.